Okay, this is Hoover versus United. Hoover's in white, United's in blue. This is first half. State game, February 23rd, 2014. Hey Kenneth, how you doing?
Did you have to sell your house? Or?
I'm gonna, yeah.
Oh, you still have it.
Look from you.
Call it.
Talk to each other.
Nice.
No, Zachary talked. Kevin didn't listen. Kevin said no mine.
Go, Zach.
Yep.
Here you go, Sean.
But you got to be mine, not.
Yeah, Jackson. Yeah, Jackson.
Hated it. Yeah.
Look back, look back.
This is our. Did Mateo come with you?
No.
Think about that, did you?
Well, usually I have like 2 or 3 boys with me.
You had a lot of kids with him yesterday. Just trying to
Yeah.
I don't think they say stuff about like so offensive. Like, what's wrong with that? You know.
Get that ball, Jackson.
Good pressure, Jackson.
Hey, Leon. Hello. This is Carrie's brother. This is Kenneth. This is Patrick.
I
Lee.
recognized him from the stadium last season.
Oh, yeah.
You guys are in best
I
stadium.
remember when he was itty bitty.
Yeah. This is Leon. This is Echo.
Hello. Would you like a chair?
See, now that I have to bring the camera, which isn't that often, they're all going to play on that side of the field.
Oh, yeah. You don't have super zoom?
I do, but it doesn't, I still think it's a little, I can get it, but I like when they're close pictures.
Oh, yeah.
You know,
You
'cause
see
that's
their
the point
face.
of seeing, we've seen them out in the field.
Yeah.
Gotta give it up, Lou. There's too many people to be crowded in there.
That's a big field we need to use.
Are they 25? 30? 35.
Something's missing.
Okay.
I think it's in 35.
Not problem.
Go, Alex.
Alex, go.
Ready, Zach?
Half
Like I said.
Very good, nice.
Job of stopping it.
Good, Constantine. Zach, help him.
Nice.
Roll it, Zach.
Here we go. Turn, Zach.
The right idea.
Zach, go.
Oh, not bad, not bad.
Good effort, Blue. Good ball, Mateo.
That was a good try. Oh, that's a nice cross. That's a nice ball.
That was.
Go, 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 go.
Go, Matthew. Run, Matthew.
Get up there, Zach. Go.
Okay, that's going to confuse me.
On defense.
Get it.
One for Sean. There's one Norbert move right there. One for Sean.
That's right.
Get your pad so you can track it.
Good step.
Good, Grayson.
We gotta make
Done,
the run.
Mateo.
There's having this.
Good.
Mason.
Good job, Mason.
Oh, James.
Save it, Mason.
Good try.
Good throw.
It's your consenting.
Center swing.
So Alex cross.
I'm blocking you guys. Oh, it's okay. It just occurred to me. Stand back.
Oh, that's good.
Way to go, Andrew.
Yeah, go,
Good,
go,
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 go, go, go, go.
Gotta open your eyes when you're hitting the ball.
Good, good, Andrew.
Come on. Come on, Hoover. Come on, Blue.
Pressure, pressure. Give it, Zach. Go, 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 go. Come on, go.
That's good.
Take it, David.
Way to go, Mason.
Good. Good time.
Come on, Zach. Pressure that.
Nice ball.
There you go.
Come on, Hoover. Come on, Brian. Come on, goalie. Come on, Owen.
Take your time, Blue. Take your time.
Come on, Hoover.
Stop it here, boys.
Close. Good try, Jackson.
It doesn't matter. It's got to be on goal. It doesn't matter. And he
It
knows
should matter.
He knows it.
Hurry up, Zach. Oh.
Next time. Unlucky.
Control
Come on,
it.
Daniel.
Go, Phantom.
Come on, get in there. Help, help, help.
Step, Tom.
Way to go.
Go.
Good job, Andrew.
Yeah, go.
Run back.
Down there. Come on, come on, get down there.
Let's get on the line.
That's good. That's good, D.
I just realized I'm too close to the video. If I say anything, I'll be in trouble from Zachary. I'm going.
Hey, Leon, you see Sam? See Sam over there?
Go, Alex Meza.
Good, Grayson. Way to go, Grayson.
Let's play wide, guys. Let's play wide.
There you go. Come on, Mason.
Come on, Alex. Get there, Alex.
There you go, Alex.
Come on, Brian.
Come on.
Cover.
Woo, way to go.
Good job, Bree.
Good job,
Good job,
Brian.
Bree.
Come on, Daniel. Come on, Logan.
Go, Hoover.
Heads up, keep. Heads up, keep.
Woo. Way to go, Mason.
Call for it.
Straight up, Mace.
All right, let's go,
All right.
Jackson.
Come on, B. Woo! Way to go, Grayson.
Nice, Zachary.
Again, Zach.
Get it out.
Get it out, get it out.
Come on, get it. Clear it.
It's ours, isn't it?
Should
Well
be.
done, Sean.
Switch fields.
Go, go. Go, get it. Go, Sam.
Well, you didn't have anybody to pass
I
to.
know he wants to touch the ball. That's too close.
Pressure, pressure.
David, I can't hear you.
Come on, Lincoln.
He's got to help. He's got to get help, guys. Come on, support, Blue. Big field.
Go, Hoover.
Good, Grayson.
Nice ball. Go, Alex.
Somebody help him.
Good defense, Mason. Good defense.
Way to go, boys. Come on, Daniel. Woo, way to go, Brian. Get down there. Come on, Zach. Zach, get them out.
Good drop. There you go.
There's a good ball, Zach.
Nice.
Zach.
Was it offsides?
Good call.
Way to go, Mason.
Watch the man, Blue.
Woo.
Nice.
Excuse me.
Go, Zach.
Nice
Help
step,
me.
Zachary.
Go, Zach.
These people can't see when it goes on that end. Do you mind stepping back just a little bit so we can see when the ball comes?
Sure.
We have
Yeah,
parents
yeah.
that can't see.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let me adjust here in just a second, okay?
A little more, if you don't mind.
This is about as far as I'm going back. But I'll move out of the way.
Because, I mean, that's...
I'll move out of the way in just a second, okay?
Pressure it. Come on, Daniel. Zach, move.
I'll move down the other end of the second half, so I'll be out of everybody's way.
I can see now. Get that ball.
Hold it for a minute.
Go, 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 Hoover. Go, Hoover. Keep going, Logan.
Way to call him, Sam.
Man on.
Come on, Mason.
On you, Jackson. On you.
There you go.
Done. Get it, Bryant.
Go, B!
Woo. Put it down there.
Good job, guys.
Zach, go, go, go. Go, go.
Go, Phantoms!
That's good.
Nice. Why are you letting that ball go all the way to the side?
That's good. That's good.
Go, go, go. Keep going. Don't stop. Go, go, go.
Man on.
Come on, Logan. Get it, Logan.
Good. Oh.
Come on, Zach. Help him out.
Stay with him, Zach.
Come on, come on, come on. Pass it out. Get it, Zach.
That's good.
Go, Constantine!
Come on, goalie, goalie.
Good job, O.
I'm just reminding you. First game. I know.
Oh.
Get the ball quick, quickly. Get the ball back here.
Pull. I'm watching you.
Zach, go. Go, 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 Hoover, go, Hoover!
Go, Phantom!
Nice, Sam.
Come on, Lane.
Good job. Go, 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 go!
Get it, come on, Hoover!
Seems like we should be able to swing it wide. Push it down the line.
I have my Zoom lens. I'm sorry.
I want to zoom.
With the Zoom lens, I can.
11v11, don't we?
That's when I said that at the
Yeah.
first game I didn't have my camera or anything.
I was like,
It's only 418. Just
Oh, it's not your child. It's not.
Woo, way to go.
Every year is last year.
Switch fields. That's good.
Go, 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 Daniel! Go, Daniel!
Come on!
Come on, Lane, go!
That's good. That's good.
You got Parker.
Zach, get that ball!
Don't force it.
Come on,
You
Phantom!
got time, JC.
Run, Zach!
guys, gotta keep our shape.
Go, Phantom!
Good!
Hit it. Nice. Good
That's-
idea.
Good job, Owen!
I like it, JC. Oh, that's a nice header.
Go, go, go.
Uh-oh.
Come on,
Back,
Daniel.
JC.
Go, Daniel! Go, go, go! Go!
You got it, Isaac. Yeah, nice.
Go, Phantoms!
Come on, Brian. Come on, Brian.
Yeah, Parker.
Get it out, B!
Oh, nice try, Parker.
Good effort, Blue. Good ball, Mateo. Next time, Parker.
Is he sick? Heard it in the game?
No, not today.
I mean, in the last game? At the
Come on, Blaine.
Vestavia?
I'm not sure. Zach, go!
Hit it, Mateo. You gotta get it.
Oh, now he's offsides.
He's offside. You can't take it there. Smart save. That's good.
Good.
Come on, Phantoms! Let's go, Hoover!
Zach, get it. Get it, Zach.
Try it back, Zach.
Thanks.
Yep.
Bring it back. Take it right back to him. Pressure.
Woo.
Good job, O. Send him, Matthew.
Go, go, go. Good, Logan. Come on, Daniel.
Hang on.
His hair's in your throat.
Oh, yeah. It's like a lab hair. Oh! Come on, Zach, get there.
He was too open. Next time. All right, Blue, next time. Just got to shake it off and go on.
Come on, Phantoms!
Stretching to get to me. Oh, she's like, no, don't stop.
Go, Hoover!
Get it, Zach.
Yep.
Go. Good. Zach, help him. Take that ball, Zach.
That's it. Good job.
Way to go, Blaine.
Yeah, nice, David.
Yeah, we're going to
Okay, come here, come here. You're all right.
Sweetheart, it's just a few more minutes.
Good, Tom. Good, Tom.
Oh, good.
Oh boy, Constantine.
That's it.
Come on, help him. Come on, Daniel. Way to go, Daniel.
Go for space. Space.
That's
Come
it,
on,
Parker.
Bryant. Take it all the way,
Pressure.
Bryant. Go, go, Blaine. Come on, Hoover. Go, Zach. Zach, go, 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 go. Carry it.
There you go. That's good.
There it is.
Way to step, Preston.
Take it, Zach. Get it, Zach.
Don't stab. Get it.
Come on, Phantoms! Let's go, Hoover!
There it is.
Way to go, Matthew.
Good idea, Blue. Shake it off, Park.
Good tackle, man.
Get up.
Pressure, boys. Good pressure.
Yeah, it's tough. 1 second, too.
Right midfield. Get him, boy.
Get it.
Come on, Hoover.
Push him out. Push him out. Guys, 18. Remember, look for where there's space.
Piece of gum. Piece of gum. Catch you get cold.
Yeah, I was going to do it.
Where there's space.
All right, Parker, Jackson, let's go.
Spread out. You guys spread out. Someone needs to be right midfield. Right
Yeah, that's right, Leon.
spread out.
Stay there. She is, but she gets a little mad sometimes.
Nice. Oh, nice. Oh, nice try.
Blue, that's some good soccer, Blue. Save, keeper.
Way to go, Owen!
Get it far post, JC.
No, she's
Out of way. Great set.
Oh, yeah. Oh, nice try. Eventually.
Wow.
You're not going anywhere.
Step the ball. Let's go, Hoover.
Go, Phantoms! What'd she do?
She jumped up in my lap. I guess she seen you.
Nice shot. Yeah! Yeah, Jackson.
Nice short corner, boys. Well done.
Yeah, it's Jackson.
Work it out, Phantoms!
Jackson shoot it, but I thought somebody from that side.
No, it hit the post. Hit the back post.
Hit the back post.
Yeah.
Nice ball, Blue. Let's get another one.
Go, Hoover.
You didn't even say him score. You can't say anything.
Got it on tape, though.
She'll need it. Almost, sweetheart.
Come on, Phantoms!
That is not as important as getting right. That'll get you a bad throw every time. Come on, guys. It's just lazy. You got to at least make the throw. Come on! Over the head, God, come on, Steve.
They need to make them do 20 push-ups every time they don't do a proper throw in like that. Because that's just bad at this age, at this stage, that's so bad.
Shouldn't be there. See, even though they're close, you got to come from behind your head. Like that.
He says yes. It makes you wonder about that. You'll notice it when they stop playing. That's the signal.
Oh, yeah, Alex.
Way to go, Mason.
try, Mesa.
Go with him. Go with him.
Go, Phantoms!
Go, go, go. Keep going. Zach, you should have been there.
Oh, too much.
Good idea, Blue. Next time.
Look for space. Space.
Turn.
Get him,
Stay
Zach.
on line.
Watch the pass back.
Yeah,
Come on, buddy.
yeah, Zach. Yeah, Zach.
Go, go, go.
Good ball.
Faucet.
Yeah. Take a shot. Take a shot. Take it.
Way to go, Grayson! Uh-oh.
Good job,
That was a
Al.
good try. It's a good try.
I don't know if it was one too many, but just the last one he took, you touched it out too far. But yeah, when you beat three.
Come on, come on, come on. Good. Come on, go, go, go.
Yeah, Sean.
Come on, Hoover!
Get it, Zach.
Go, Parker!
Wide.
He scores. Oh, they're doing a sub. Big throw, JC!
Check both sides. Check both sides.
Alex has got a big throw, too.
Come on, Lane!
Well, John Christian. Come on, guys, faster, Blue!
Come on, Hoover!
Time.
You got 3 minutes.
Good job, Zach.
Get it, Zach!
Go.
Good, Grayson.
Oh, that's delayed.
What was the call?
No, Zachary took him down.
When we went there.
Delay call. It was just... It's not halftime, sweetheart. You may have heard people say
thought that was
halftime, but it's not.
Everybody went walking that way.
Yeah, Zach. Yeah, Zach. Nice.
Come on, Zach, get there.
Come on, Hoover!
Take a shot.
There you go.
Gotta take those outside shots.
More over. Send it!
Yeah, Alex.
Go, go, go.
You got time.
Mesa, pull
You got
him
time.
off.
Good ball.
Go with him. Go with him.
To the corner.
Not short. The right midfield is one that short.
Oh, it was a goalie kick? Oh, okay.
Don't turn your back. Don't turn your back.
What? Yeah, it must be crazy.
Back there.
This way. This way. This way.
Come on, baby.
Less than that, Parker. Less than that. Yeah, I did.
Go, Phantoms! Good job! Come on! Good
Not
job,
bad.
Owen!
Call for it.
That's it. Take it down, Hoover.
Go, Phantoms!
Good, Andrew.
Almost, sweetheart. We're almost there.
Push up a little more.
Get some water out of that cooler in the back.
I'm sure I'll be walking somewhere after a while. We can walk with her this time. Good. No. I started thinking I missed it, and because I went all the way to Valley.
Oh, right.
And came in that way.
Yeah. Another end of River Church.
Uh-huh.
I thought about doing that, but I've never done it before. So I just.
Well, I thought I'd missed it, so the turn right before this one, I turned in to a parking lot and thoroughly read the email instead of just glancing at the email.
Okay, it's in the first half, 1-0.